Hello everybody, I'm Guillaume Celosia, a third year PhD student, and today I will present my demonstration named Venom that I've made for the WiSec 2020 conference. So basically Venom is a Bluetooth low energy physical tracking system that is composed of one main Bluetooth dongle that fetch data and display the computed ones, a Wi-Fi hotspot that enable most of the communication for the system, a first node that is composed of a Raspberry Pi along with two dongles, a Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi one, a second node that is the same, a third node that is the same, and finally an opt-out node that enable the participant to express their descent to tracking. To test the system, we will use a Fitbit fitness tracker, so it's basically a fitness wristband. So let's put it in front of the first node. And here on the screen, we can see some frames that are fetched. And basically, those frames are Bluetooth low energy signals that are emitted by the device. Let's move to the second node. The second node fetch also the frames. And let's move to the third. The third seems to fetch also the frames. So from now, let's see what the system have been converted from this device. So let's put it in front of, this is basically the graphical interface that represents the result. So at first we have a timeline that represents the three nodes that have seen the device over the time. We have a metadata frame that is crowded with date, time, and some Bluetooth stuff. We have the parsed data box. So parsed data are data that are emitted by the device. So here we can see that it's a Fitbit device because of a particular service UUID. And the map box represents the node. And for the demonstration purpose, we based our node imaginary at Paris. So let's see what have been computed from the gray node, for instance. And the gray node is the node 0, is located near the Tour Eiffel in Paris. And if we go back to the timeline, we can see that from 14:28:18 to 14:28:25, the node have seen the device. So during 7 seconds, the device have been seen by the node 0. The Google Street View frames is just a simple physical representation of the Tour Eiffel in Paris that is fetched from the Google Street View API. Thank you for your attention, and it will be my pleasure to answer your question.